Hello everyone. I am Sonam Kumari from Chattisgarh. I had done BTech in Applied Electronics and Instrumentation branch from Pvt University in 2015. I had a really great experience at Evision. After my graduation, I came here on 7th July, pursued to CCNA course. Everything is up to the mark here. Trainers are very supportive, and also I would like to thanks to mentors for training from the very basic placements. Team also conducted telephonic and webex interview practice, and personally I had a great learning experience in online job internship. The trainers materials, assignments, projects, and everything is a class apart. I am happy to say that I got selection in HCL Technology with salary package for LPA. Placement teams are also very supportive here, thanks to who helped me out in my job interview process. If you want to pursue here career in network industry, I will definitely suggest you to go for Evision. Thank you, Evision.